Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a little restocking. Each of our bathrooms had some items that needed to be restocked, so I figured this was the perfect opportunity to take you all along with me as I do my weekly restocking. So come along and let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start up in the master bathroom with these canisters. One holds cotton pads that I use to remove my makeup with, and then the other holds Q-tips. I just pulled what was left in the container of the cotton pads out and put them on a tissue, and then restocked some more cotton pads in there, and then went ahead and put the ones that were already in there back in. The Q-tips I didn't have to worry about restocking. It was empty, so I just filled it back up. Last year when we redid our master bathroom, I decided I didn't want a toilet roll holder on the wall any longer. I found this multiple one at Target, so I'm just going ahead and filling that up right now and then switching out the hand towel to a fresh one. Wrapping up in the master bathroom with taking care of the trash. It looks like we must have missed trash up here last week, so we have a little bit more than usual. In both the master bathroom as well as in the kids' bathroom, we like to line the trash can with a plastic grocery bag. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just going ahead and pulling those out and then replacing them with a fresh grocery bag. Now I'm over in the kids' bathroom. I took a disinfectant wipe and wiped down the outside and the inside of the trash can, added a new grocery bag to the trash can, and now I'm just going ahead and wiping down the lid of the trash can. Just like over in the master bathroom, the kids have containers that hold cotton pads and Q-tips, but they also have one that holds cotton balls. That one didn't need to be refilled, but the other ones did, so I went ahead and did that for the kids. Once I had those all filled up, I went ahead and took a disinfectant wipe and wiped down the lids of the containers and then the little tray that they sit on. And then I went ahead and wiped down the countertop with a disinfectant wipe. In the comments below, go ahead and let me know how often you restock your bathroom supplies. Wrapping up in the kids' bathroom with replacing their hand towel with a fresh one and adding a new box of tissues. Finishing off the bathroom restocking, we're heading down to the half bath. I'm going to go ahead and empty the trash, replace the hand towel, and restock the toilet paper and bring in a new box of tissues. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on that bell so you can be notified whenever we have new videos up.